Chest flies, Poliquin, Incline, Dumbbells. A lot of gymnastic skill seekers have tight and weak pecs, limiting their upper body strength and flexibility. Stretching and strengthening the pecs helps to improve upper body pushing and pulling strength, not to mention overhead flexibility for movements like handstands. That's why I like the Poliquin chest flies. You can play around with the incline level and experiment with the line of the stretch. In this video, I'm using a 45-degree incline. After setting the incline, lie back on the bench. Bend your knees and place the balls of your feet on the floor, vertically stacked under your butt. Arch the lower back off the bench by moving your shoulder blades down the bench towards your hips. A nice strong arch will increase the pec stretch, improve the line of force production, and help to protect the shoulders. Straighten the arms above the chest with the palms facing down towards the legs. If you have tight pecs, a slight 5 to 10 degree bend in the elbows can remove any pain or discomfort that you might feel in the shoulders or elbows. If you don't experience pain when performing the chest flies, you can keep the elbows locked. Slowly lower the dumbbells down towards the floor, but at a 45-degree angle away from your head. This alignment corresponds with the muscle fibers in the chest and helps to increase strength and flexibility. Continue to lower the weights as far as flexibility will allow. Maintain the arch in the lower back and push the chest up for the best results. Once you reach the end range, pause here and externally rotate the shoulders to point your thumbs down towards the floor. This will increase the range of motion and offer a much deeper stretch. While maintaining the externally rotated shoulder position, lift the weights until they are stacked above the chest. Pause here and internally rotate the shoulders until the palms of the hands are facing down towards the feet and you're back in the starting position. Chest flies are a challenging exercise, and it's best to use a light weight that allows you to work through a full range of motion. Far too often, people try to go heavy with this one. My advice, focus on the stretch. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.